So this is the M6 Pro by Proscenic, and I got the M7 Pro, and this one right here, I got this one. This is for the office, man, and I appreciate them sending this one over. But I'm going to be using this one simply in this office. I'm not going to do it throughout the house. And the setup on this is different than the other one. You can pair it to the app, but I chose to just use the remote. All the functionality is on the remote itself. So I thought it would be better to do it like this. And my office is the size of a bedroom, I guess I would say. And as you can see here, it's just kind of going along, doing the regular cleaning that it always does. These vacuums are really nice. My other one is a self-cleaning. If you remember, the 7 Pro is a self-cleaning. And these things can really clean well, man. When I switched everything around and came over here, I used the M7. Hopefully it doesn't get caught up in these cables. Oh gosh, I forgot to pick those cables up. But I used the M7 to clean the entire house, and I left him in there by himself. So now he cleaned the office, and he's getting ready to go back to charging mode. But I left the M7 Pro over there to clean the entire house, the downstairs that is, and he did a great job. And these vacuums, these robot vacuums are actually really good. You can literally just sit them up. They scan the room, and here's the application, by the way. This is what the application looks like. And so here's the M6 Pro, and then I have the, come on, buddy. I have the M7 Pro for the rest of the house. But this is, I went over the application before, what it looks like. You know, this is my downstairs, and it cleans very well, man. I let it clean for about an hour downstairs. I was gonna go ahead and put this one upstairs, but I thought, you know, I'll do a quick review and actually just set it up and use it. So the difference again with this one is I decided to take it out of the box and use the remote. So this is how you can set the time right here. This is how you clean, and obviously this is home, and you got some menu settings here, and you can use the power and the controls here. But it's not, this remote is a little bit more basic than the other remote for the M7 Pro, but it in fact is still, if you don't know how to do anything else, hit that button right there. The bottom right one right there is the cleaning, and that's it. And then you can hit home anytime you want to, and this is the time right here. So pretty simple. Go over here next to him. This is a charging base, and if you want to open them up, that's where you dump it out at. You dump the trash out. It also can mop. It comes with 2 of these, actually. There we go. And you get another brush. And here's the instruction manual. And then here is the mopping pad, which I think is really dope. So, as you can see here, it tells you how to use the dust and water. It tells you how to do it, to put them on, everything. And this one is the same way. You lift it up. It tells you how to do the maintenance and everything. So obviously my office wasn't that dirty. You can see the dirt in there, but it does get the dirt up, man. These work extremely well. And so you get all of this in the packaging. You get this charger right here, this base station like this. And I just wanted to do a quick video on this, man, because I've had this for quite some time and I just hadn't showed it to you yet. But I appreciate them sending over the M6 Pro as well. I did a full walkthrough with the application with the M7. And again, if you don't know how to do anything else, all you do is put it on a charger, power it up, hit that clean button, and this will clean your entire house. But what it does is it scans the room first to see what it has to clean, and then it'll clean it. And that's what it does. So there it is, man. Quick video walkthrough. You get all of this in the box. Hope you guys enjoyed. Quick walkthrough. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.